Hi, I'm Kenny Chrysler, manager of Showcase Video. We're going to introduce Grasse today from ikan. He's going to show a lot of his great stuff here at our Spring Fling 2013. Take it away, Ross.
All right, thank you, Kenny.
You're welcome.
Let's talk about some of the products I have brought for everybody to see today. Let's start with our monitor line. Here is our D7W, a beautiful monitor with waveform, vector, RGB parade, full screen or quads or overlay, and all of the other standard broadcast evaluation features that you know and love in monitors today, like the 1280 by 800 IPS panel. So you have a beautiful field of view all the way around. We'll go next to our MD7, our high bright monitor. This has 1100 candelas per meter squared and is currently on several feature sets and TV sets, including the set of Hawaii 5.0 over in the bright island of Hawaii, of Honolulu. So anyway, that's a bright environment, 1100 candelas per meter squared, or nits, so very bright indeed for outdoor shooting. Here is our VK7i, our low-cost monitor. If you don't need 3G SDI, if you just need HDMI, and you want that 1280 by 800 IPS panel, here is something fantastic for $499. So it's something that is selling very well for us because it's something that you can afford for your HDSLR or your DV camcorder. All right. Here is our D5W, and again, this is just like the D7W, except it's smaller. It's 5.6 inches, but on top of it, we have a frame and an EVF that we're coupling it with from PS Technik in Germany. So this is something that you can use outdoors for your EVF, flip it right up or take it right off, and then you have this beautiful D5W panel, again with the waveform vector RGB parade. All the stuff that's in the D7W is right here in your D5W. We have those available without waveform vector RGB parade for considerably less money if you don't need those evaluation scopes. Let's head over here real quick. We do teleprompters as well. Here is our PT Elite. It's designed for the iPad. You just put your iPad here, beautiful 70/30 glass. It's based on a base plate system with a 15mm industry standard rod. So you just put it on your tripod, you can slip it on, slip it off, and you have a beautiful iPad teleprompter. We also have a remote control for it, so you can control the speed of your teleprompting software. It's called the Elite Remote, and you can go to ikancorp.com or come, to find out more about it, and of course buy it here at Showcase Video. We'll put that down and go over here to one of our beautiful shoulder rigs. This is our new offset rig, and you just put your camera right here and hold it on your shoulder, put a little weight on the back using possibly one of our soft weight bags or any weight you so desire, or maybe some productive counterweight. This plate here will take an Anton Bauer or V-mount battery plate, and you just stick it on the back, and then you have some productive counterweight that'll power your whole system for you. So this is our offset fly, as we call it. Put that back over here. And then this is our Cinefly with more articulating cinema-style arms. On the back here, it should belong on the front, but we have on the back our follow focus. We make a lot of products here at ikan, we really do. And again, for more information, you go to ikancorp.com or just come by Showcase Video here in Atlanta. We also do a line of professional batteries, brand new line of professional batteries for you in various sizes. We also do a transceiver, a receiver, a transmitter that'll transmit a full 1080p video up to 500-foot line of sight or 100 feet through walls inside a building. It's designed to sandwich in between your battery and your camera, and this particular one here is for V-mount. It's in the range of $4,700. We're also doing some great grips here for the Blackmagic Cinema camera. You have to leave the vents on the bottom of the Blackmagic Cinema camera open so the sensor will not overheat. So this one was designed in conjunction with Blackmagic. We sent it to them. They said, yes, this will work. The holes here allow the venting to be free and to cool that sensor. And so this is a grip. We have various other shoulder rigs that take this particular plate here. That can go on the Cinefly or the offset, so you can stick your Blackmagic Cinema camera on there and all the other stuff you need for doing cinematic style shooting. This is one of our prototype plates we're just about to put on the market for the Canon C300, 500, and 100, specially designed for that. Let's go very quickly to our lights. We have a lot of products here. So this is our iLED 312, and it's a bicolor light, as you can see here. Go back and forth. Very cost effective at $399. We can go right up here, $1,100 will get you our beautiful 1x1. This is a bicolor 1x1, and we can cut this on. Here we go. It has a beautiful little LCD panel on the back, so you can go from 5600 all the way down to 32 and up again in 100 increments, or dim via the touchpad on the back here, or you can also use a remote to do the same thing. And here's the half-by-1 version that we have, which is called the ID500. We have a bicolor version of this, but we also have the full daylight version of this, and this is being shown with the Chimera. The Chimera company out of Colorado makes Chimeras for the ID500, also for the 1000 that we just showed you. And so, you know, one of the issues with LED lights, of course, is they're insanely bright, and you know, they have a long throw, and there's lots of little specks in there, if you will. 500 of these, 1,000 of these, so the talent sometimes doesn't like it, so they like it softened with the Chimera. So if you're going to use them exclusively with talent, or mostly with talent, we like to sell you a Chimera along with it, because the talent will love you for it. So that's about all we have today. Well, we have some more in the back, but we're running out of time. This is Ross Grasse from iCan Corporation. For more information on any of this stuff, just go to icancorp.com.